Hello, I'm back, and I'm not 100%. So this might not be the most exciting show, but we're gonna do some stuff. Let me get the text. The last time we did this cool glowing aura effect, which you can see through uh, objects. There's another one I found. I might try that another day. Now we'll sell for this one. Tonight it's gonna be a little bit more chill. I'm gonna think about character properties and then see if I can add them to the state. Probably in the same way that we added our clues. So to start that off, think about character properties. I'm gonna have to do something we haven't done before, which is open a second text file. That's right. And that's not where save is. Save as, we'll save it in here because no one would expect that with it. About this deep thoughts. I do that. All right. So we've already talked about like having clues for for characters that we drop, and then oh, I keep pushing the wrong button for that. Clues for characters. Oh, that's so small. How are you guys supposed to see that? And this is probably going to be the basis for for our traits. And so essentially we're going to what clues we want to drop and extend those to how that applies to what the character will look like. And not go much further. We could do other things like, um, different styles, that kind of thing. But as MVP, this is just like is only have traits that have to do with dropping a clue now. And then we'll think about that later. So I'll see. Better way for this, isn't it? What? Forensic clues and a character drop that can point to their identity. Oh, I pushed enter. So this is where we're heading with this. So we already had a couple of thoughts on this, right? We've got hair and what we can have hair that has color. That's for sure. Maybe in the future we can have style. I'm gonna put a question mark on it. Minimum MVP will go with color. We have cloth fibers. These also have a color. I would be hard pressed to put like a style for them right now, because then you're thinking about, oh, is it a sweater? Is it poofy? Is it I don't know if that's pretty far down the road. So forget that. What else do we have here? There's footprints. This is interesting. They don't have a color. They do have a style. So you could have. I'm just gonna put enter here. Oops. Style could include. Let's see. Shoe. Yeah. Dress shoe versus high heels. There is a long-term non MVP of depth in dirt. Ooh, let's go to this so we can see the whole thing. But that's, I'm gonna put a question mark on that because that's long. Well, what comes from that? Well, there's other things. It's a kind of weird and not quite forensic clue. I haven't figured out how this is going to end up, but it's going to be footsteps. The footsteps. There's a style of this, the sound of it. Style of shoe. Style of shoe. That's important. It's just style of footprint doesn't say anything. The style of shoe affects that. And you know what? I'm gonna get rid of this. That's so far in the future, I really don't care about it. Style of shoe affects the sound. Let's actually do the same here. Well, if it's not MVP, we won't worry about it right now. And also, this is the only one I can think of where I would like to like have two things about the footsteps would be weight, which would contribute to the weight of the sound. Loud. Hair, cloth fibers, and then let's go up here. Hair, obvious. Cloth fibers. This does have a source, which is clothing. I don't know. What's clothing? Footprints, style of shoe. Footsteps, style of the shoe. Weight. Let's see. Is that enough to say one way or another? This is somebody. So we've got, what's the, yeah, that's right. We're going to do maths. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different things that can differentiate you, right? No, 5, because I can't get 5 different things, which means that 5 factorial. Do I have this? Do I have a calculator on this computer that will give me 5 factorial? That would be useful. Let's see. Oh. Oh. Of course there isn't a in here. Calculator. There we go. Basic. What is it? Basic, advanced. Here we go. Is there a factorial on here? Of course there's fucking useful, wouldn't it? Let's see. Oh, no, there it is. Enter 120 combinations. Is that right? One hundred 20 combinations. All right, so that's lots, I guess. No, that's not lots because that's wrong. Right? Because everybody has at least one of each of those things, right? So pair, and then so you get pair, and you can have whatever x amount of those. You've got cloth. I'll be back. All right, it's as if I had a big T right before I started this. Where's my? All right, so we've got cloth that comes in whatever colors. We've got shoes that come in whatever style. Yeah, I only came up with 3 styles, so I'm going to put that solid 3 styles. And weight, I don't think I'm going to do something wacky about this. I don't think anybody can really tell much of a difference. I'm just going to put 2 weights. Loud, not as loud. Now, this is a more accurate kind of like look at what this is going to look like. I'm pretty sure I can get enough. Let's ask the internet about my math abilities on here. I just know all this. and choose are. There and factorial ways of this. Yeah, I need are. The number of ways to choose a simple objects, order placement not allowed. The number of ways. So this is for each set, right? This isn't quite right because you end up with one set of things. Choose 2 prizes from a set of 6. That's not what I want. Also not what I want. This is what I want. How many sandwich combinations are possible? Because that's what we're making. We're making a character sandwich. So that's right. That's right. I only took this course twice in university. That's what I'm looking up again. Because your combinations for this, it becomes in your possible possible values, and you're picking one. It comes down to the possible values, and then you just multiply them together. You get at least x times y times 2, 3 times 2. So it's at least 5 times x and y with different colors. And people want color colors because they love it. So that's your like maximum number of players in a particular game. Let's set some boundaries on some of these. Some of them are things like color. There are 3 colors. We have 2 weights. Let's choose some colors for hair. Keep pushing the wrong button. That's not the right button. That's not the right button. That's the right button. That's the right button. I don't use those commands on the keyboard, so yes, we can have, let's say, 1, let's make it simple. Simple, 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 simple. It's only now that I realize that most common hair colors start with the letter B. Except for this one. Is that how you spell it? Okay. And then there's this one as well. How's that for a set of hair colors? Alright, that gives us 5. And for cloth, let's say I'm gonna roll out black just because it lets people hide a little bit better. Maybe blue. Maybe red. Maybe white. maybe yellow or gold. Let's call it yellow for now. Green. Trying to think if there's any like interesting colors. Let's stick 5 on that. Let's see what we get. Well, 25, 75 times 2 is 150. So 150 possible combinations. The reason I want this number is because I want to make it so that if you join a game, it makes sure that you don't conflict. So you can't have the same hair, cloth, shoes, and weight as somebody else. So it should shift to one of the other colors. Depending on how, I don't know, the numbers. Random? Who cares? That's not our concern right now. So, that's enough combinations. This is what we want to store on our character. Hair color, clothing color. And size. Shoes, style, and size. So let's go over here. All right. So we don't have it split out here. It's here. I'm kind of feeling maybe C++ classes. I can't make a struct in here, can I? Let's see. Default on player controller, HUD, player state, state widget, all classes. I have a feeling I won't be able to get a struct in here because that's all we need, right? Struct. Should it even be in here? Should we bother? Should we put it as part of like a blueprint? Does that make more sense? We can make it a blueprint and move it over if we need to. Let's see, can we do game, detective system, party system? I think this is the best place to put it. Let's see, can I add a blueprint class? No, it seems like such a waste. Isn't it? Let's hop here. On here, we have character. Oh, not the character. It's a player state thing, isn't it? This is where we're keeping it. We've got our evidence. I split that. If I split this into another file, Unreal Engine know what to do with it. So I put it in here as. No, you know what? risk it right now. Let's just drop it in here. Know that it exists. That's gonna be, I'll be able to use it in blueprints. And we're gonna say it's properties or guest. I'm looking for a good name. You can tell I'm an old who has worked a lot where I start thinking about names. To the point where I go, nope. Now, character. One of these two. Character. I'm gonna roll a quality. We all know you want to do trait because that's a gamey word to use. Oops. Oops. Perfect. All right, so we can hop back over here to our text. If we're going to set these in stone, we can make them gameplay tags. So we'll do the same as this. And it's going to be a, what's our first one? Hair. Hair. We're going to say color. If we do something where hairstyle is a different thing, I want to make sure that we actually separate those properly. I'm going to say F gameplay. Well, we want to copy this. I think the thing we wanted was clothing color. Wrong button. I'll add the empty tag a little bit later. This one can be the, what was the other thing? Shoes. Shoe size. Shoe type. Shoe type. Let's call it shoe type. And then guest weight. By, let's drop down here. I'm just gonna see, is this, do I need that? Times 2, that'll put us down to 75 combinations. Let's take this MVP so I don't have to deal with it. And that puts us down to 75 combinations, which is still respectable, I think. That's actually like less than I thought. Excuse me. That's kind of surprising, but kind of not. Well, guess traits. So it's a struct with traits in it that can be generated, and from here we can generate evidence that character can drop, which will be these three things. So these attributes there, it's different than an attribute. It's not whatchamacallit. It's not gameplay ability system attributes. I'm not using attributes for that. And we're going to have to do something about that, and you'll see in a bit. Collect evidence. I think I would put it in here, wouldn't I? Collect evidence. Where is she protected? Where's evidence? Oh, there it is. Tier rate, collect evidence. Tier rate evidence I can drop. Above this, I'm going to put grab this actually. Category it's part of the detector system, but it's part of the I'll put that up there. Let's have a look. traits. So we should be able to... I don't think I do anything with those in here, do I? Build system with guest attributes. Guest attributes. Collect about evidence. Okay, evidence to drop, okay. It's doing stuff. Let's see. If I'm kind of thinking I want to actually replicate this. This should tell people, this will on a certain level determine what happens in the game, kind of. I don't know why I have this one separate, collected evidence, that's a separate thing. Let's just hop over here and see what happens. I've been sitting, it's just been sitting here for a while, so it's kind of forgotten. That's open. Thanks, Unreal Engine. All right. Oh, there. I made the jingle. Can you show me what the jingle did? Did this. Oh. Oh. Classic. I have a feeling at some point I'm going to have to pull that out of that class. How Unreal handles just like a file with like a struct in it. You know what I mean? Or maybe I need to make it a proper class. Can I make it a proper class without having it depend on... Oh. Oh, sorry. I need some. There we go. I have to look that up. I'm sure somebody's done it. Where it's like, this is a class in C++. I kind of don't care how it's connected to Unreal because it's really, well, it should be connected to Unreal somehow. Can I just make a basic class, not based on like a Unreal object? That thing I can even do? First, let's see if this compiles. It does. What I'm doing is having a list of traits that determine what your character looks like, and then suspense. Yay! What have I done? What have I done? Okay, so I have right, let's go to here. Well, I'll put both of them just in case. Oh, actor. I want to be an actor though. I'm an object. Wait. Add a new C++ class. Done. Default constructor. Let's just try it. We should just try it. Don't click that. Go. Main. Since I've got guest trait, so already I can't call it guest trait, so I'll call it. Oh, I closed all my sources. Was one I was almost going to do qualities. Qualities. Guest qualities. So I'm gonna also point out a thing I'm doing. I don't know if I ever mentioned it. If you push private or public, it puts them in different folders. It's purely about like how you arrange your source code. Like in my opinion, public and private has to do with like, you know, and so it puts public stuff, aka your header files, in public, and private stuff, aka your code in private. And it's kind of a pain in the ass. I'd rather just put it all in a big folder and understand like what I'm looking at. Anyways, that's my little thing. So you can not push those buttons, and it'll just get dumped in here like a normal C++ project. Anyways, to me, anyways. So we've got Yeah, that looks like something I can use. Let's see if I can pull those out. What does it look come out at? It's a guest qualities. I don't like that. Oh, I don't know. Do I like that? I'm not sure. Can I make it like one of these if I do that? Like, do I have to? Well, because I do want it to be able to do all this stuff being like a blueprint, right? What if I I have so many different names for this. Guest. What kind of thing is it going to be? Guest. I'm sure somebody who knows more Unreal than me knows the consequences of my different choices. Um, but I mean, I guess I'll remember them if I do it. See, this looks more like what I expect. But also, I don't want it to be cult guest attributes because I have that attribute set. Oh, God damn. Okay, let's delete all these. And then recompile. Kind of. And we'll make guest qualities as an object in Unreal, because then we can add all our blueprint stuff onto it. The way it's not, is it gonna, I assume that's a compile complete. One thing is I'm gonna go engine. Okay, I can. I can just make a struct in a separate file. Yeah, let's just do that. Did I already? No. Okay. Okay. I'll be right back because I'm still drinking tea. All right. Where were we? So we can just add it ourselves. That's grown on me. Let me hop in here. Nope, not evidence. Let me also steal. How much did he say needed? Okay. So we just need to grab this guy. And then also in here, we're going to, oh, where did I put that button on this keyboard? That's a new one. Where it should be, of course. That would be too easy. And this is going to say guest qualities.h. Then down here, this is going to be in F. Guest qualities. And we'll call this qualities. Okay, let's see what happens if I do that. Explode. No, cancel. That's right. I have to change the name of that to Or maybe it'll work fine. Who knows? Oh, no. What's the problem? Ah, interesting. There's something I need to include to make that work. What's in here? Probably in core some way. I don't see why it wouldn't be. It's the only thing that's not like, you know, specific to like class or player state or what have you. I would be shocked if it was played. Yeah. Ooh, good call. Oh, I need that. You think somebody? I spent a lot of time programming C for Game Boy stuff. Maybe when I'm done this, I'll start bring that up on here and um that's the thing you should do because it'll like this one will try it'll load it in here and this one make sure that everything is only loaded once and it's kind of like well why is that default? I guess somebody can argue, oh that's no default. Nope, still no good. All I want to do is move that into its own thing. Not that one. Seriously, it's not core minimal. Billy system interface? No, that doesn't seem right. Might. No, 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 no. It can't be that one. It can't be this one. It can't be this one. It can't be this one. Because that's this guy down here. Right? Yeah. I'm getting owned. I'm going to do what everybody hates to do, which is... Oh, no way. Now I have to type it in my hand. I have to type it in with my hands. Oh my god. I'm also bad at typing. Oh, I know that part. Yes, but we have that. That's not useful. That's also not useful. Runtime, module gameplay tags, gameplay tag. Yeah, I'll take it. If that's what I need to do. Think that'll work, or is it the wrong gameplay tag? Excuse me. Big old man sneeze. How is it? All right. Over here, it won't show up, correct? It's not a class, it's a struct. That's right. This also works. This compiled, this pointing at that. So if I hop into here, wall, animation sequences. Oh well, could be worse. Uh, oh, get. There we go. So it exists. Yes. Ooh. Yeah, and then you can set your gameplay tags in here. And then probably for this kind of stuff, I'd have a table somewhere that can change from color tag to color. But yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to have. So that's good to know. Now we have our struct in a different file, which means that we can really play around with it, in my opinion, better than here. I should probably put this one out too. I'm not sure you want to watch me do that, so I'll do that later in the week. Pardon my thing. So we did both of these tonight. I a good stop since I'm not 100%. And then I'll pull this out with its own file later. And then I'll clean this whole mess up better. Though I would love to have like some kind of thing where I like make a struct. I've done it once. I can copy that one now. All right. So that's it for tonight because that's all I've got in me. So I'll see you next week.